Most organizations don't struggle with capability anymore. They struggle with clarity. Technology can analyze faster, it can optimize, it can recommend, but it cannot decide what your organization stands for. A judgment boundary issue arises when it's unclear which decisions should be automated and which must remain human-owned. When that boundary isn't defined, three things happen. Authority blurs, accountability fragments, and teams default to data when judgment is what's needed. I'm typically brought in at the point where leadership teams sense something is drifting, not quite right, but can't clearly name it. Growth has accelerated, AI tools are being adopted, execution is busy, but internally coherence is thinning. My work is not about adding activity, it's about defining the line between automation and accountability and restoring disciplined clarity before erosion becomes visible externally. When output is abundant, judgment becomes the strategy.